Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this outline preset that you see on the screen right now. I already have taken this picture and made it into a transparent. It has to be a transparent picture to make this. I magic mask the top one. There's the original. I'm not going to go through all that because the tutorial's not really about the magic mask. It's about making a preset for this outline. We'll go to Fusion. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. Get a background. Make it green. And get a Mac control. Go ahead and put that in viewer 1 for now. With Mac control selected. Shift space and Delta keyer. Select the media in. Get another Mac control. I'm going to pipe the output of this into the Mac control 1. By right clicking, drag it over to the Mac control 1 and put it in the garbage mat. And now you have your mask in viewer 1. We're going to do the same thing with the Delta keyer. And garbage mat. Merge the Delta keyer into the Mac control 2. Then select the Delta keyer. Grab this little or picker. Bring it over and touch the green like I did. And it should go transparent. Then go to the Mac control. Come down to replace color. This is going to be your default outer line color. Then change this replace mode from soft color to hard. Then slide the erode dilate over and you'll start seeing your line. Viewer 2. I'm going to set my default to 0.005. We'll add a drop shadow to this too. Select the merge, shift space, and drop shadow. I'm going to turn the drop distance all the way down and the shadow strength all the way down. My default settings, but it'll be there if I want to use it in the preset. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Set it up like that so you do not include the media in and the media out. We want to try to highlight the Delta keyer first and then the drop shadow. That way they're at the top of the macro. Like that. And right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. You want to go down to the mat. On the erode dilate, delete that. Put in outline thickness. And go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. effects. Here's where we're going to want to make your folder to put your preset in. I suggest to name it different a little bit than the preset itself. If they're exactly the same, Resolve won't recognize it. You may have to restart Resolve if you cannot find it. And there's mine. If you click on it, you see a little effects icon. Select that, and you have your controls. You want to add a drop shadow, you have it all there. You have some blur. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.